This how to 1 minute will show you how to create staff accounts on Shopify store. Creating an account for your staff is really very easy process. Just follow this step-by-step guide. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on settings and select users and permissions. And here you will get this staff section. So click on add staff. And now enter here your staff first and last name. And now enter here email address. Basically it will be your staff email address. And now here you have to customize permissions for the staff account. So here's I want to give all permissions without store settings, without domains, store policies and manage settings. And you can give app permissions from here and click on send invite. Confirm. Once you sended the invitation, the staff will get a invitation mail like this. So they have to click on create staff account to accept the invite. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.